Welcome to the International Linguist Association channel, where we learn languages the easy way by listening and speaking along. This is Lesson 33 of the Learn French Vocabulary series, and today we will be looking at vocabulary related to hobbies and leisure activities. Stay focused and enjoy the learning process. Let's start off with the vocabulary set. Game. Le jeu. Sport. Le sport. Movie. Le film. Book. Le livre. Music. La musique. Dance. La danse. Painting. La peinture. Drawing. Le dessin. Fishing. La pêche. Camping. Le camping. Garden. Le jardin. Picnic. Le pique-nique. Photography. La photographie. Puzzle. Le puzzle. Swimming. La natation. Hiking. La randonnée. Traveling. Le voyage. Cooking. La cuisine. Baking. La pâtisserie. Knitting. Le tricot. That is the first set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the medium difficulty set. Chess. Les échecs. Skateboarding. Le skateboard. Surfing. Le surf. Kayaking. Le kayak. Mountain biking. Le vélo de montagne. Woodworking. La menuiserie. Pottery. La poterie. Birdwatching. L'observation des oiseaux. Gardening. Le jardinage. Astronomy. L'astronomie. Sewing. La couture. Origami. L'origami. Quilting. Le patchwork. Archery. Le tir à l'arc. Bowling. Le bowling. Scuba diving. La plongée sous-marine. Snowboarding. Le snowboard. Rock climbing. L'escalade. Ice skating. Le patinage. Playing an instrument. Jouer d'un instrument. That is the second set. Please feel free to rewind and revise as required. Now let's move on to the sentences. Le jeu est très amusant. The game is very fun. Le jeu est très amusant. The game is very fun. Le film commence à 8 heures. The movie starts at 8 o'clock. Le film commence à 8 heures. The movie starts at 8 o'clock. La danse était magnifique. The dance was magnificent. La danse était magnifique. The dance was magnificent. Nous avons passé le week-end en camping près du lac. We spent the weekend camping by the lake. Nous avons passé le week-end en camping près du lac. We spent the weekend camping by the lake. Le puzzle est difficile à résoudre. The puzzle is difficult to solve. Le puzzle est difficile à résoudre. The puzzle is difficult to solve. Il a acheté un nouveau skateboard hier. He bought a new skateboard yesterday. Il a acheté un nouveau skateboard hier. He bought a new skateboard yesterday. Elle aime faire de la poterie pendant son temps libre. She enjoys doing pottery in her free time. Elle aime faire de la poterie pendant son temps libre. She enjoys doing pottery in her free time. Le jardinage est une excellente façon de se détendre. Gardening is a great way to relax. Le jardinage est une excellente façon de se détendre. Gardening is a great way to relax. L'origami est un art fascinant qui demande de la patience. Origami is a fascinating art that requires patience. L'origami est un art fascinant qui demande de la patience. Origami is a fascinating art that requires patience. Le patinage sur glace est très amusant en hiver. Ice skating is a lot of fun in the winter. Le patinage sur glace est très amusant en hiver. Ice skating is a lot of fun in the winter. This brings us to the end of the video. Well done on finishing the lesson. Excellent work. See you in the next video.